Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So in the last video we have completed first three questions from exercise 7.2 related with continuous random variable. So in this video we are starting next question number 4. See in the question number 4, what is the given condition? Find k if the following function represent probability mass function of a random variable x. So f of x is given to us, its value is equal to kx if x lies in between 0 to 2, otherwise the value of f of x is 0. So it is given to us that f of x is what? Probability mass function. Using this condition, first we are trying to find out value of what? K, and later on we will find out second required value. So first let us try to find out value of k here. So what is the given condition here? Observe, value of f of x is given to us. F of x is equal to kx, where this is the value of f of x if x lies in between 0 and 2, otherwise the probability will be equals to what? 0. These are the given condition. Now we are using the condition that f of x is probability density function. Sorry, here probability instead of mass function, it is given to us that probability density function. And since p of f of x is probability density function, that's why we can say that it satisfies the condition that integration of minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx will be equals to what? 1. Now using this condition we are trying to find out value of k. So our interval is from what? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Here different values, means two values of f of x are given to us. Which value we have to use in which interval is given to us, isn't it? So this is the value of f of x if x lies in between what? 0 to 2. Otherwise in this part and in this part, value of probability means value of f of x is 0. That's why we are dividing this interval in three parts. Which three part? Minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to 2 f of x dx plus 2 to infinity f of x dx, and on this side keep right hand side. What is right hand side? 1. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is. Just minus infinity to plus infinity we have divided, or we have split up into three parts. In the first part already we have seen that value of f of x is 0, so integration of 0 will be equal to 0. In between 0 to 2, value of f of x is what? Kx will be equal to kx dx, keep it as it is, plus here value of integration is 0, so f of x is 0, so integration of 0 will be 0. On this side 1, keep it as it is. Now here k is a constant. K is a constant, so take k outside the integration and find out integration of x. Integration of x will be equal to x square upon 2. Keep limits 0 to 2 as it is. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is. Okay, so let us simplify it. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, so 1 by 2 can be taken as 1 by 2 can be taken outside the limit. So here we will get k by 2, and here remaining term it's x square. Limits are from 0 to 2. On this side 1, keep it as it is. Okay, so here k by 2, keep it as it is. What is? First replace x by upper limit means by 2 square, minus then replace x by lower limit means by 0, so 0 square is equals to 1. So here we will get k by 2, and 2 square is 4. 4 minus 0 will be equal to 4. On this side keep 1 as it is. So k 4 by 2 will be equals to 2 is equals to 1, which implies that k is equals to 2. On this side will get divided, means k is equals to 1 by 2. In this way we have got our first required value k. Now we are trying to find out second required value, and p of x greater than or equal to 1 by 4 and less than 3 by 2. Let us try to find out this value. Here lower limit is 1 by 4 and upper limit is what? 3 by 2. Its value is integration, where limits of integrations are 1 by 4 and what? 3 by 2 f of x dx. Here we can observe that 1 by 4 to 3 by 2 appears in this interval, lies in between what? 0 to 2. This is the sub part, means small part of which interval? 0 to 2, in which the value of function is what? Kx. So which is equal to, just I am replacing f of x by kx. dx, keep it as it is. Here 1 by 4, keep it as it is. 3 by 2 also as it is. So here already we have seen that integration of kx will be equal to what? K into x square by 2. Because k is a constant, keep it as it is. Integration of x is x square by 2. Here lower limit is 1 by 4, upper limit is what? 3 by 2. So which is equal to k, keep it as it is. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside the limits. First I am replacing x by what? 3 by 2. So here we will get square of 3 by 2. Hope you are getting it. 1 by 2 is a constant. Already we have taken outside the limit. So now first we are replacing x by upper limit minus, then replace x by lower limit, means 1 by 4. Keep this square as it is. So which is equals to k by 2, keep it as it is. What is square of 3 by 2 will be equal to 9 by 4 minus square of 1 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 16. So which is equal to k by 2, keep it as it is. Just simply we are taking its difference. Here denominator is 16. अगर यहाँ पे 16 लाना है तो हमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. अगर डिनोमिनेटर को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. और 4 से अगर न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मिलेगा 36 और यहाँ पे मिलेंगे 16. और डिनोमिनेटर 16 हो गया अब हमारा. और यहाँ पे क्या मिला था हमें? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 36. 36 minus 1 will be equals to 35. Now I am replacing this 1 by 2, keep it as it is. K I am replacing by its value. What is the value of k? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 35 by 16. So which is equal to, nothing is there to simplify, keep 35 as it is. In the denominator 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 16 will be equal to 64, and this is nothing but value of this cumulative distribution function. This is nothing but notation of what? Cumulative distribution function. In this way we have got the value, next required value also. Now see the second example from question number 4. We have to find out value of k for the following function represent probability density function of of continuous random variable x. So here value of f of x is defined as k into x into 1 minus x, and this is the value of f of x if x lies in between what? 0 and 1. Otherwise the value of f of x is 0. Using all these conditions, first we have to find out value of k, and later on these two values also. First we are trying to find out value of k using given condition. What is the first given condition? This f of x is what? Probability density function. Using this we are trying to find out value of k. Same method we are applying which we have applied in the first part of this question. So here f of x is probability density function. That's why we can say that integration of f of x dx, if limits are from minus infinity to plus infinity, will be equals to what? 1. So therefore now here we have to split up this interval. Interval is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we can observe that this is the value of f of x if x lies in between what? 0 and 1, and otherwise value of f of x is 0. Means in this part and in this part value of f of x is 0, and in between 0 and 1 value of f of x is k into x into 1 minus x. So that's why we are splitting minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to 0 f of x dx. What is the second part? 0 to 1 f of x dx, plus third part is 1 to infinity f of x dx. On this side keep 1 as it is equal to 1 as it is, isn't it? Just we are splitting this into 3 parts. In the first part value of f of x is 0 and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. In the second part, so limits keep it as it is 0 to 1 f of x, we are replacing by its value. What is the value of f of x? K into x into 1 minus x dx. In the third part value of f of x is 0 and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is. Now not necessary to write 0 here, just simply find out integration. Here we can observe that k is a constant, so take it outside the integration, and here remaining term in the integration is x into 1 will be equal to x, and x into minus x will be minus x square. So let us try to find out its integration. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is. So k, keep it as it is. So therefore k as it is. What is integration of this x? Integration of x will be equals to x square by 2. x square by 2 minus integration of x square is what? X cube upon 3. X cube upon 3, and limits are from 0 to 1. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is, isn't it? Now first I am replacing this x by upper limit, then by x by what? Lower limit. Let us see what we'll get here. So therefore k into first I am replacing x by what? 1. So here 1 square is 1 by 2 minus, again replace x by 1, so here also we'll get 1 by 3. Then replace x by second value 0. If I am replacing x by lower limit, both the terms will become 0, and 0 minus 0 will be equal to 0. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is. So therefore k, keep it as it is. If you are taking cross multiplication, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 into 3 is 6 is equals to 1. Implies that k is equals to 6 will get multiplied, 6 into 1 will be equal to 6. In this way we have got the value of k. Now we are finding second required value, that is p of x greater than or equal to 1 by 4 and less than what? 1 by 2. So this is nothing but notation of cumulative distribution function. Here its value is integration of f of x dx, and limits are from 1 by 4 to what? 1 by 2. And here we can observe that 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 is nothing but part of this interval 0 to 1, and that's why we are using this value of f of x, which is equal to k into so keep this integration as it is, limits also as it is, 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Just replace f of x by its value k into x into 1 minus x dx. So which is equal to, now k is a constant, keep it as it is, k is a constant, and already we have got its integration. What is the integration of this term? This term will be equals to, after taking k constant and simplifying it, it can be written in this form, and its integration is x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Already this integration is known to us in the first part. Only difference is what? Limits are different. So here their limits are from 0 to 1, and here limits are from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Now simplify it. So which is equals to k. Value of k is also known to us. What is the value of k? K will be equal to 6. So replace k by 6 here. First I am replacing x by upper limit, means by 1 by 2. Let us see what we'll get. चलो ये 1 by 2 है, एक साइड में ले लो 1 by 2. 1 by 2 को एक साइड में लिया. अब x की वैल्यू 1 by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो यहाँ पे. x की वैल्यू अगर 1 by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट की तो 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर क्या मिलेगा हमें? 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर 1 by 4 माइनस यहाँ पे 1 by 3 एक साइड में ले लो, 1 by 3 एक साइड में ले लिया. अब x की वैल्यू 1 by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. व्हाट इज क्यूब ऑफ 1 by 2 विल बी इक्वल टू 1 by 8. मीन्स फर्स्ट वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड व्हाट? अपर लिमिट. सो वी हैव गॉट दिस रिजल्ट. नाउ वी आर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग लोअर लिमिट माइनस, अभी लोअर लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, यानी x की वैल्यू 1 by 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. चलो यहाँ पे 1 by 2 एज इट इज रखो, 1 by 2 एज इट इज रखो, और x की वैल्यू 1 by 4. अगर 1 by 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट की, so what is square of 1 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 16, isn't it? Minus 1 by 3, keep it as it is. Again replace x by 1 by 4. What is cube of 1 by 4? Cube of 1 by 4 is 1 by 64, isn't it? Remaining part is just simplification part, so which is equal to 6, keep it as it is. Here see what we are getting. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 24 minus here 1 by 2 into 1 by 16 is 1 by 32 minus here we will get 1 upon 3 into 64 is 192. Just calculation part is there. Again let us simplify it. On the remaining part I am continuing here. So 6, keep it as it is. Here see, here denominators is what? 8 and 24. अगर हमें यहाँ पे 24 चाहिए तो मुझे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 3 से अगर यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो डिनोमिनेटर में क्या मिलेगा हमें? 24. तो यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यहाँ पे भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 3 minus 1 will be equals to 2 minus, so what is denominator here? 192. To get 192 here we have to multiply to 32 by what? 8. 32 8s are not the 8, I think we have to multiply to 32 by 6. Yes, 6 into 32 is what? 192. अगर डिनोमिनेटर को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर में 192 मिलेगा, और यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा हमें 6 minus 1 will become what? 5. Since denominator becomes same, so we have taken subtraction of numerator. Again, if you'll observe here very carefully, here denominator is 192, here 24. 24 को अगर 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम तो 192 मिलेगा हमें यहाँ पे. हमने डिनोमिनेटर को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, इसलिए न्यूमरेटर को भी 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो न्यूमरेटर में क्या मिलेगा हमें? 8 2 जा 16, एंड 16 minus 5 will be equal to 11. So which is equal to 11. Keep it as it is. Check that 192 is divisible by 6. Yes, 6 3s are 18, and remaining term is 12. 6 2s are 12. So means 11 upon 32 is the value of P of x greater than 1 by 4 and less than 1 by 2. Now remaining part is just to find out this value P of x less than 2. Now let us try to find out third required value, P of x less than 1 by 2. Now see, P of x less than 1 by 2 means value of x is less than 1 by 2 means its value is from minus infinity to 1 by 2, isn't it? Minus infinity to 1 by 2. So now we have to split up this interval minus infinity to 1 by 2 in two part, because up to 0 this is the value of f of x if x lies in between what? 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, isn't it? इसके बीच में अगर x की वैल्यू आती है तो हम पहला फंक्शन यूज करेंगे, अदरवाइज वैल्यू इन दिस पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर स्प्लिटिंग इट in what? Minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus then 0 to 1 by 2 f of x dx, because second part is from 0 to 1 by 2. हमें कहाँ तक जाना है? 1 by 2 तक ही जाना है. So in the first part value of f of x is 0, so its integration is also 0. In the second part already we have got its integration, but better we first substitute the value of f of x. What is the value of f of x? K into x minus k into x in bracket 1 minus x dx. K is a constant, take it outside. So here after taking its integration, what integration we have got here? Its integration is x square upon 2. Already in the first two part we have seen how to find out its integration. X square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3. Limits are here from 0 to 1 by 2. 0 to 1 by 2. So which is equal to k, keep it as it is. First I am replacing x by upper limit. X by upper limit means x by 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, keep it as it is. Replace x by 1 by 2. What is square of 1 by 2? 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. माइनस कीप इट एज इट इज. चलो ये 1 by 3 एक साइड में ले लो. अभी x की वैल्यू 1 by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, और 1 by 2 का क्यूब क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? 1 by 8. So its cube is 1 by 8. Then if we are substituting value of x is equal to 0, both the term will become 0 and 0 minus 0 will be equal to 0. Now let us simplify it. चलो यहाँ पे simplify करते. So is equal to k into, see what we are getting here, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 8, minus keep it as it is, and 1 by 8 into 1 by 3 will be equal to 1 by 24, isn't it? So k I am replacing by its value. What is the value of k? 6. So replace k by 6. चलो यहाँ पे दोनों टर्म का डिनोमिनेटर 24 करने की कोशिश करते हैं. यहाँ पे 24 है, यहाँ पे 24 अगर लाना है हमें तो एक्सक्यूज मी, 8 को हमें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ पे 24 मिलेगा. यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यहाँ पे भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और 3 minus 1 क्या मिलेगा हमें? 3 minus 1 2. So which is equal to, here easily we can observe that this 6, keep it as it is, it can be written as 1 by 12, because both the numbers are divisible by what? 2. And here both the numbers are divisible by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Means what result we are getting? 1 by 2. Means our second required value is what? 1 by 2. In this way we have completed question number 4. Now see the question number 5. In this question observe the given condition, let x be the amount of time for which a book is taken outside the library. X represent amount of time for which the book is taken outside the library by a random selected student, and X has probability density function. Means this f of X is probability density function, and it is defined as 0.5 into X if X lies in between 0 to 2, or if other than 0 to 2, value of f of X will be equal to 0. These are given condition. Using all these given condition, we have to find out these three values. So here we have considered given f of X, which is probability density function according to given condition. So now using this, we are first finding our first required value. What is first required value? P of X less than or equals to 1. Means X is less than or equals to 1. X is what? Less than or equals to 1. Means its value is from minus infinity to 1. F of X dx. Now minus infinity to 1, in between this interval, value of f of X varies, because two values of f of X are given to us. This is the value if X is in between 0 to what? 0 to 2. At that time we have to use this value of f of X, and in remaining part we have to use this value, means 0. Value of f of X is equal to 0. That's why we are splitting this interval minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1 in two parts. First part is minus infinity to 0, and second part is 0 to 1. So which is equal to minus infinity to 0 f of X dx plus 0 to 1 f of X dx. Already in this interval, value of f of X is 0, it is given to us, and if I am replacing f of X by 0, so integration of 0 will be equal to 0. So here in between 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is nothing but part of this interval, in which value of f of X is what? 0.5 x dx. So which is equal to, not necessary to write 0 here, 0.5 is a constant term, take it outside the integration, 0.5. Here remaining term will be, keep limits of integration 0 to 1 as it is, x dx. Now we are finding its integration. 0.5, can I write this 0.5 as 1 by 2, and integration of x will be equals to x square by 2. Keep limits of integration as it is. What are the limits? 0 to 1. So now 1 by 2 is a constant, so we are taking it outside the limit. This 1 by 2 we have taken outside the limit. Remaining term is what here? X square, and limits are from 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Here I am first replacing x by upper limit, means 1 square, minus then x by lower limit, means 0 square. So which is equal to 1 square minus 0 square is 1. 1 into 1 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 4, means our first required value is what? 1 by 4. Now we are finding second required value. Observe the second value is what? P of X greater than or equals to 0.5 and less than or equals to what? 1.5. So which is equals to, here limits are from 0.5 to 1.5, f of X dx. So we have to find out cumulative distribution function, means probability when X lies in between this interval, isn't it? And this is the formula to find out this, our required value. So f of X in this interval, means 0.5 to 1.5, is in between what? 0 to 2. That's why we have to use this value of f of X here. Means our value of f of X is here 0.5 x dx. Keep this 0.5 and 1.5 as it is. Now already we have seen how to find out integration of this function. So 0.5 is a constant term, keep it as it is. What is integration of x? Will be x square upon 2. So limits are here 0.5 to 1.5. So which is equal to 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 is a constant. So take it outside the limit. 1 by 2 we are taking outside the limit. And here remaining term will be x square. Limits keep it as it is, 0.5 to 1.5. Now we are substituting the values of limits here. So here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 4. First replace x by upper limit, means 1.5. If I am replacing x by 1.5, what is square of 1.5? Will be equal to 2.25 minus, then substitute x is equal to 0.5, and square of 0.5 is 0.25. So which is equal equal to 1 by 4, keep it as it is, which is equal into 2.25 minus 0.25 will be equal to 2. This difference will be equals to 2. So here 2 into 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, and 2 by 4 means what? 1 by 2. Means our second required value will be equals to 1 by 2. Now let us try to find out third required value. See, in this third case, we have to find out value of probability when x is greater than or equals to 1.5. So which is equals to, means value of x is greater than 1.5 means 1.5 to what? Infinity. So but here 1.5 lies in this interval, 1.5 after 1.2 is there. In this interval, this is the value of f of x, and otherwise means in remaining part value of f of x is 0. That's why we are splitting it into two parts. So its value will be 1.5. Limits are from 1.5 to what? Infinity. F of x dx, so which is equal to, now this 1.5 to infinity, we are splitting it into two parts. First part is what? 1.5 to 2, because in this interval what is the value of f of x will be equal to 0.5x, and in remaining part value of f of x will be equals to what? 0. So f of x dx, so which is equals to, now here 1.5 to 2, keep it as it is, and in this case value of f of x is equal to 0.5 into x dx, and in the second part value of f of x is 0, and integration of 0 will be equal to what? 0. So here 0.5 is a constant term, take it outside the integration. Now we are integrating x, its integration is x square upon 2, where limits of integrations are 1.5 to 2, so will be equals to, now observe the calculation part very carefully. Here 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside the limit, so 1 by 2 into, here remaining part is nothing but x square, because 1 by 2 we have taken outside the limit, and what are the limits here? 1.5 to 2. So here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be equals to 1 by 4. Observe the calculation part very carefully. First I am replacing x by what? 2. So what is square of 2? Will be equal to 4 minus, then I am replacing x is equal to 1.5, and what is square of 1.5? Will be equal to 2.25. So which is equal to 1 by 4, keep it as it is, into 2 minus 2.25 will be equal to 1.75. So if possible, let us simplify it. So which is equal to, keep this first term 1 by 4 as it is, into 1.75. Can I write it as 175 divided by 100? Yes, again if I am dividing, or if you are converting it in decimal form, so it will become what? 1.75. Just for simplicity I am trying to replace decimal representation. So which is equals to, sorry, I am trying to eliminate decimal representation here. So here both the numbers are divisible by what? 25 sevens are, and 7 into 1 will be equal to 7, and here if I am dividing by 25 we will get 4 into 4 will be equals to what? 16. So 7 upon 16 will be the last required value. In this way we have solved all the three examples from question number 5. Now see the question number 6. In this question it is given to us that x is waiting time in minute for a bus, and its probability density function is given by f of x is equal to 1 by 5 if x is in between 0 to 5, otherwise a value of f of x will be equal to 0. Means f of x is already defined, so we have considered whatever may be the f of x is given to us. Now in the first case we have to find out the probability that the waiting time is in between 1 to 3. If the waiting time is between 0 to 5, at that time we have to use this function, and 1 to 3 is also the part of this 0 to 5, means 1 to 3, this much part lies in between what? 0 to 5. So that's why in this interval we have to consider this value of f of x. Means here we have to find out probability that waiting time is in between 1 to 3. Means our limits are from 1 to 3. F of x dx, this will be our formula here. Otherwise it can be written as in this way also, that p of x greater than 3 and less than what? in between 1 and 3 means greater than 1 and less than 3. Hope you are getting it. So this will be our required probability that waiting time is in between 1 and 3 minutes. So which is equals to, so here limits are from 1 to 3 f of x dx. So which is equals to, better way substitute this value of f of x in between 1 and 3 is 1 by 5. It is given to us 1 by 5 dx. So 1 by 5 is a constant term, so keep it as it is. Then remaining term, nothing is there means 1 is there, and integration of 1 is what? X. Here limits, keep it as it is, 1 to 3. Now first I am substituting x is equal to upper limit means we have to replace x by 3. So here 3, then substitute x is equal to 1. So 3 minus 1. So which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 by 5 will be equal to 2 by 5. In this way we have got our first required value, that probability that waiting time is in between 1 and 3. Now in the second case we have to find out probability that the waiting time is more than 4 minutes. So more than 4 minutes means what? 4 to infinity. So means here our probability, we have to find out probability of x greater than what? Greater than 4 means more than what? Value of x is more than 4. So which is equal to, so its value will be equals to what? 4 to infinity. Limits are from 4 to, greater than 4 means what? 4 to infinity f of x dx. But this is the value of f of x for if x lies between 0 to 5 and 4 lies between what? 0 to 5. That's why we have to split up this interval in two parts, 4 to 5 and 5 to infinity, because in between 1 to 5 value of f of x is 1 by 5 and otherwise the value of f of x is 0. Since two different values are there, that's why we have to split up it into two parts, 4 to 5 f of x dx, and second part is 5 to infinity means 4 to 5 and 5 to infinity f of x dx. In the first part already we have discussed value of f of x is what? 1 by 5. And in the second part value of f of x is 0, so integration of 0 will be equal to 0. So which is equal to 1 by 5 is a constant, so then remaining term is 1. Integration of 1 is what? X. Here keep limits as it is 4 to 5. So 1 by 5 keep it as it is. First I am replacing x by upper limit means by 5 minus, then replace x by lower limit means by 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 into 1 by 5 will be equals to 1 by 5. In this way we have got our second required value, means we have got the probability of both the examples from question number 6. Now see the example number 7th. In this example, observe the question. Suppose that the error involved in making a certain measurement is a continuous random variable with probability density function, and this probability density function is defined as f of x is equal to k into 4 minus x square, and this is the value of f of x if x lies in between minus 2 to what? Plus 2, and otherwise the value of x will be equal to what? 0. Means already probability density function is defined here, so we are first considering the given probability density function, so that f of x will be equals to k into 4 minus x square. This is the value of f of x if x is greater than or equal to minus 2 and less than 2. Otherwise the value of probability will be equals to 0. This is the given condition. Now here we have to find out these three values, but to find out these three values we will require the value of k also, means k is one unknown value given in f of x. First we are trying to find out value of k, and later on we will find out our three required values. And to find out value of k we are using which condition? That this f of x is what? Probability density function. So since it is given to us that f of x is probability density function, if it is probability density function then it satisfies which condition? That integration of f of x dx if limits are from minus infinity to plus infinity will be equals to what? 1. This condition is satisfying if f of x is probability density function according to its definition. Now here this is the value of f of x if x lies in between what? Minus 2 to plus 2. But our interval is from minus infinity to plus infinity, means we have to split up it into three parts. This will the first part, this will the second part, and this will be what? Third part. Because in different interval, values are different according to given condition. So that's why we are splitting it as, in the first part, our limits are from minus infinity to 2. So minus infinity to 2 f of x dx, plus in the second part 2 to what? Minus 2 to plus 2, minus 2 to plus 2 f of x dx, plus third part will be 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity f of x dx. On the right hand side, keep this 1 as it is. On the right hand side, 1 keep it as it is. Now in the first part, value of f of x is 0. It is already given to us, and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. So here we will get 0 plus, in between minus 2 to plus 2, what is the value of f of x? K into 4 minus x square. Dx keep it as it is, and in the third part also value of f of x will be 0, so its integration will be 0 is equals to 1, keep it as it is. Now we are finding integration of this term. So k is a constant term, take it outside the integration. K is a constant term, we have taken k outside the integration. Now find out the integration. What is integration of 4? Integration of 4 will be equals to 4x minus integration of x square will be equals to x cube upon 3, and limits are from minus 2 to plus 2. On the right hand side, 1 keep it as it is. Okay, so therefore k keep it as it is. First I am replacing x by upper limit, means by 2. So 2 into 4 will be equals to 8. Again replace x by 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 3. This result we are getting if we are substituting value of x is equal to 2, means upper limit, minus, then substitute x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 into 4 will be minus 8, minus, replace x by what? Minus 2. What is cube of minus 2? Minus 8. Minus 8, and this minus will become plus 8. 8 by 3. So here we have got 8 by 3. On this side 1 keep it as it is. So therefore k keep it as it is. Let us simplify it. 3 into 8 is 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 by 3. Minus, here 3 into minus 8 is minus 24. Minus 24 plus 8 is minus 16 by 3. Minus, and this minus will become plus 16 by 3, so which is equal to 1. So therefore k, here we can observe that denominator of both the terms are same. That's why we are taking addition of numerator. 16 plus 16 is 32 upon 3 is equal to 1, which implies that k is equal to, so 3 will get multiplied on this side and 32 will get divided. In this way we have got value of k. Once the value of k is known to us, now we are trying to find out our first required value. So what is our first required value? P of x greater than 0, so which is equals to, so value of x is greater than 0 means 0 to what? Infinity. F of x dx, this will be our limit. X is greater than 0 means 0 to what? Infinity. So 0 to infinity, but in between minus 2 to plus 2. So 0 to 2 lies in between what? Minus 2 to plus 2. In this interval, one value of f of x is this one, and otherwise the value of f of x is 0, means this 0 to infinity we have to split up it into two parts. What is our first part? 0 to 2 f of x dx, plus second part is 2 to infinity f of x dx, isn't it? We have to split up 0 to infinity into two parts. In the first part, according to given condition, what is the value of f of x? Will be equal to k into 4 minus x square dx, and in the second part, value of f of x is 0, so integration of 0 will be equal to 0. Now let us try to find out its integration. K is a constant term, keep it as it is. What is integration of 4x minus integration of x square will be equal to x cube upon 3. Keep the limits of integration 0 to 2 as it is, so which is equal to. Now I am replacing k by its value. What is the value of k? 3 by 32. And first replace x by upper limit. Upper limit means by what? 2. So here 2 into 4 will be equals to 8, minus replace here x by 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3. And then substitute x is equal to 0. If I am substituting x is equal to 0, both the terms will become what? 0. So here we will get 0 minus 0. So which is equals to keep this 3 by 32 as it is into, let us simplify it, 3 into 8 will be 24, 24 minus 8 is 16, so 16 upon 3, so will be equals to, here 3 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, remaining part is 16 upon 32, 16, both the numbers are divisible by 16, 16 ones are 16, 2s are 32, so means its value will be equal to 1 by 2. In this way we have got our first required probability when x is equal to what? Greater than 0. Now let us try to solve the second part, means try to solve the second example of this question. Now see the second example. In the second example we have to find out the probability when x is greater than -1 and less than +1. So which is equal to, here limits are already given to us, -1 to +1 f of x dx. So which is equal to -1 to +1, keep it as it is. Just simply we are replacing f of x by its value. -1 to +1 lies in this interval. So that's why here we have to take which value of f of x? K into 4 minus x square dx. So now we are integrating it. K is a constant term, so we are able to take it outside the integration. And integration of 4 will be equal to 4x, and integration of x square will be equal to x cube upon 3. Keep this limit -1 to +1, keep it as it is. K, keep it as it is. So now first we are substituting value of x is equal to 1. If I am replacing x by 1 here 1 into 4 will be equal to 4, and here we will get cube of 1 is 1, means 1 by 3, minus, now I am replacing x by what? -1. -1 into 4 is -4, minus, replace x by -1, cube of -1 is -1, minus and minus will become +1, in the denominator 3, keep it as it is. So isn't it? So which is equal to, now I am replacing k by its value. Already we have got the value of k in the first part. So what is the value of k? 3 by 32. 3 by 32. So here 4 simplified, 4 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 1 will be 11, 11 by 3 minus, let us see what we are getting here. 3 into -4 is -12, -12 plus 1 is -11, -11 by 3, minus into minus will become +11 by 3. So which is equal to 3 upon 32, keep it as it is, into, now denominator of both the terms are same, so simply take the addition of numerator. 11 plus 11 is 22, 22 upon 3, so 22 upon 3. So here 3 will get cancelled, and if you will observe remaining two numbers, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So if I am dividing to 22 by 2, so here we will get 11. If I am dividing to 32 by 2, we will get what? 16. Means 11 upon 16 is the value of this probability. Lastly, let us try to find out last part of this example, means here we have to find out probability when x is less than -0.5 or x is greater than 0.5. So which is equal to, so here two parts are connected by or, means in the first part we have to find out x less than or equal to -0.5, or means what? Plus p of x, x is what? Greater than 0.5. So this will be our required probability. Now x is less than -0.5 means what? Minus infinity. X is less than means minus infinity to what? -0.5 will be limit here, f of x dx, plus here value of x is greater than 0.5, 0.5 say greater means 0.5 to infinity, f of x dx, isn't it? Now if you'll observe the given conditions here, so here minus infinity to plus infinity, first part में कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? minus infinity to -0.5, और सेकेंड पार्ट जो है 0.5 to infinity. लेकिन हमारी जो वैल्यू है f of x की, it is in between -2 to what? +2, means it is in between -2 to +2, means we have to split up this interval into two parts. First interval into two parts. First part will be minus infinity to -2 f of x dx, and second part will be -2 to 0 minus 2 to minus 0.5 f of x dx. And if you'll observe here, this interval minus 0.5 to infinity, we are splitting it into two parts. First part is what? 0.5 to 2 f of x dx, and second part is 2 to infinity f of x dx, isn't it? Once all these things are known to us, then I am replacing f of x by 0, because in this interval value of f of x is 0, so integration of 0 is 0. In between minus 2 to minus 0.5, what is the value of f of x? K into 4 minus x square dx, and limits are from minus 2 to minus 0.5. Here value of f of x is again the same, so keep the limits 0.5 to 2, keep it as it is. I am replacing f of x by k into 4 minus x square dx, and in the last part value of f of x is 0 from 2 to infinity. From 2 to infinity value of f of x is what? 0. So its integration will also be equal to 0. So here not necessary to write down these two zeros, only we have to simplify this integration and this integration, means we have to find out value of this two definite integration. K is a constant, so keep it as it is. We are finding integration of this term. K is a constant, we are able to take it outside the integration. Integration of 4 will be equal to 4x, and integration of x square will be x cube upon 3. Limits are from minus 2 to minus 0.5. Plus keep it as it is. Here also k is a constant, take it outside the integration. Here integration of 4 is 4x, minus integration of x square will be x cube upon 3, and in this case limits are from 0.5 to 2. So if you want, you are able to take k common from both the term. If we are taking k common from both the term, here this will be the remaining term. First I am substituting upper limit, means I am replacing x by minus 0.5. So before that, can I say that here minus 0.5 for simplicity, means so that our calculation part will become simple. That's why I'm replacing minus 0.5 by minus 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 0.5. So minus, keep it as it is, just simply 0.5 can be replaced by what? 1 by 2. Plus k already we have taken common, so here also 4x minus x cube upon 3, keep it as it is, 2 also as it is, but here lower limit is what? 0.5, and 0.5 can be replaced by what? 1 by 2. These changes we are doing so that the calculation part will become what? Easy. So now try to understand. K, keep it as it is. First I am replacing x by minus 1 by 2, so 4 into minus 1 by 2 will be equal to minus 2, minus replace x by minus 1 by 2, so here 1 by 3, take it on one side. X cube means what? Minus 1 by 8. Cube of 1 by minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 8. Minus and minus will become plus. 1 by 8 and 3 will become what? 1 by 8 into 1 by 3 will become 1 by 24. This result we are getting if we are substituting value upper limit. Now I am substituting lower limit here, so means x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 will be equal to minus 8. Minus, keep it as it is. What is cube of minus 2? Minus 8. Minus and minus will become plus 8. 8 by 3. So means here we are getting plus 8 by 3. Now keep this plus as it is. Now first I am substituting x is equal to 2. 2 into 4 is 8. And if I am replacing x by 2 here, so 2 cube is 8, 8 by 3. So minus 8 by 3. Plus, now I am replacing x by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 4 will be equals to 2. Minus, keep it as it is. 1 by 3, take it on one side. Cube of 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 1 by 3 will become 1 by 24. Try to understand the calculation part here. So which is equals to, now let us simplify it. K, keep it as it is. So here 24 into minus 2 is minus 48. Minus 48 plus 1 is minus 47 upon 24. So here 3 into minus 8 is minus 24. Minus 24 plus 8 will be minus 16. Minus 16 by 3, and this minus will become plus 16 by 3. plus keep it as it is. 3 into 8 is 24, 24 minus 8 is 16, 16 upon 3. Lastly, 24 into 2 is 48, 48 minus 1 will be equals to 47, 47 upon 24. Check the calculation part once again. So here minus is there because we are substituting the value of lower limit here, that's why minus. So here also we are getting what? Minus 47 by 24. Hope you are getting it. पहले हम क्या करते हैं? Upper limit की value substitute करते हैं minus, then we are substituting lower limit. Now here we can observe that k, keep it as it is. Here we can observe that denominator LCM ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इज 24. चलो अब हर एक जगह पे 24 लाने की कोशिश करते हैं हम. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा minus 47. So here to get 24 we have to multiply to denominator by 8. That's why we are multiplying to numerator by 8. And 16 8s are 128. 128 plus here also to get 24 in the denominator we are multiplying to denominator by 8. That's why multiply to numerator by 8. Here also 16 into 8 will be 128 plus here already 24 is there. So here in the numerator we'll get minus 47. So now observe here 128 plus 128 is 256. 256 minus 47 and minus 47 will become minus 94. So take the subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 25 minus 9 will be equals to 16. 25 minus 9 is 16. Means this difference means total addition subtraction of this numerator will be equals to 162 upon 24. And here what k is there? So this k I am replacing it by its value. What is the value of k? We have got 3 upon 32 into. Now just we have seen that this value of this numerator will be equal to 162 divided by in the denominator 24, keep it as it is 24. So which is equals to, now here let us check, observe the calculation part. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, isn't it? Again these two numbers are divisible by 2. If I am dividing to numerator by 2, here we will get 81 and here we will get what? 4. So in the numerator 81 into 1 will be equal to 81 and in the denominator 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, means we are getting 128. So 81 upon 128 is the required value of this probability. So in this way we have completed all the 3 examples from question number 7. So now in the next video, means only 3 examples from this exercise are remaining, 8, 9th and 10th. In the next video we will discuss on these 3 examples. So if you think that these videos are helpful to you, so please like the videos and share these videos with your friends also.